I know it might look like I have thick hair, but my actual hair strand is on the fine to medium side. I just have a lot of it. And having fine hair strands means I've constantly struggled with volume and flatness at the roots. So I have spent my life studying how to get more volume in my hair. And today I'm sharing all of my tips with you guys, from the products that I use and the techniques that I love and all of the tips. So let's get into this video. The first step, the most important, and this is the foundation of building volume in your hair, is mousse. You'll want to use a volumizing mousse that is lightweight. And this I'll apply after I've washed my hair and it's still damp, and you need about a golf ball size amount. Whatever products you're using, you just want to make sure they're more on the lightweight side. You don't want anything heavy weighing down your hair. And I will link everything down in the description box below for you guys. But the next step is also really crucial as well, and that is blow drying my hair upside down. So I'll just flip my hair over when I'm blow drying it, and that just gives you a little bit more volume, especially at the root area. And side note, this actually helps to cut the amount of time it takes to blow dry your hair as well. So I'll blow dry upside down until it's about 90-ish% dry, and then I'll go in and finish it off with a round brush. And this is another important step. This is going to be something that's going to give you a really nice boost of volume as well. And here's the key with choosing the right size of brush. You want something that's on the larger side if you want volume. If you want to use a smaller brush, that'll give you like more of a curl in your hair. So I obviously choose a big round brush because I want as much volume as possible. And guys, I have found the best hairbrush for this. But before we get into blow dry technique, another really important product that I love to use is a root lift spray. And it does exactly what it sounds like it does. It is such a crucial step to giving you that extra volume at your roots. And this is something that you're gonna apply to each section as you blow dry with a round brush. And then for technique that I like to use when I'm blow drying with a round brush is I like to lift my hair, because that'll just give you that extra boost of volume. Another thing that a lot of hairstylists do when they're styling other people's hair is they will over direct, and over direct just means that it just takes the hair and you blow dry it kind of in the other direction, not necessarily straight up, but a little further forward, and that will give you more volume as well. And if you've watched any of my other videos about styling hair, you know that I talk about how when you apply heat to hair, it's what creates the actual curl. But then if you want to set the curl, you have to allow the hair to cool in that pattern. The same thing applies to making fine hair look thicker, because the heat from the round brush blow dry creates the height and the volume that we want. Now we want to set it in place and allow it to cool like that. And for that, I like to use rollers. Now, if you have a lot of time to do this, you can go ahead and apply the rollers to your entire head. If you just want a boost of volume and you don't have much time, just doing it to the top section of your hair will help tremendously. And so what I'll do is once I'm done blow drying with a round brush in one section of hair, I will then go ahead and put that piece of hair into a Velcro roller. And I like to use metal Velcro rollers because I find they just hold the shape a lot better. And then I'll move on to the next piece of hair and do the same thing. And then once all of the rollers are in, I'll just let it set that way and go do other things like maybe my makeup or change or whatever it is that I need to do. But I like to give it some time for the actual Velcro rollers to set the hair. At minimum, I like to give it about like 20 to 30 minutes. If I can go longer, I'll go longer. The longer you leave it in, the better it's gonna look. So then when it comes to actually removing the rollers, there is a technique to removing Velcro rollers. As you're pulling it out, you want to hold the root of your hair and then pull out the Velcro roller. Otherwise, I find like it pulls a lot of tension on the root and that kind of flattens it a little bit. So just hold it from the root and then pull it out. This is when I like to use texture spray. Now, I used to be really huge into hairspray, but I've been watching a lot of hairstylist tutorials online, and I find that a lot of them end up using texture spray instead of hairspray, or they'll use more texture spray and then a little bit of hairspray at the end. So as I'm taking out a piece of hair from the roller, I will blast a little bit of texture spray at the root, and I just find that gives it a nice volume boost as well. So now you're gonna look like your hair is a lot thicker, and if you want to stop there, you can go ahead and stop there. But if you want even more volume, I have another trick for you guys, and that is to curl your hair. And I'm not just talking regular curling, there's a technique within this as well. But curling your hair is going to add visual dimension to your hair because it looks obviously thicker. It creates a bigger diameter to your hair rather than if it's just straight. But if you want to get a little boost out of curling your hair, the technique is to alternate the direction of your curls. And the reason being is that if you curl your hair all in the same direction, it gives more of a chance for those individual curl pieces to clump together. And clumping together means less volume. Alternating the direction of your curls means that's not likely to happen. Now, once everything is curled, you're gonna want to give your hair some time to cool down. And then once your hair is cool to the touch, then you can go in with some extra texture spray or thickening spray. You can tease your hair a little bit. That'll give you a little boost of volume as well. And then once it's all done, a nice layer of hairspray will just lock everything in for you. If you have any questions about this at all, let me know in the comments. And I know not everyone's gonna do all of the steps from this video, but if you were only to take away 3, blow drying your hair upside down, root lift spray, and Velcro rollers. Anyways, I hope this was helpful, and I will see you guys soon with another video. Thanks so much for watching.